What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video we have an update on Dash, which is up 50% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $71.52. Earlier yesterday it was trading at $47, so it has gone up quite a bit. So what is next? Is it likely to hit over $100 by mid to late November? How high can it go? And essentially looking at its prediction for the rest of the year and also going into next year. Is this a good investment? Before going any further, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So looking at the RSI here at the bottom, it is at 60 and 76.45, which is pretty high, guys, indicating the crypto is more on the overvalued side, indicating a slight price correction to take place over the weekend going into early next week. Reason being is, looking at the chart here, over the last week itself it has gained 71%, but there has been a sharp incline yesterday and today as well, indicating yes, it is slightly overvalued. So I am predicting it to drop back down to around 60, well, just below $65 over the weekend going into next week, before it slowly starts to gain value again going into, well, the end of next week and mid-November, potentially hitting $85 to $90, because I'm also predicting the crypto market to go for a minimal increase in value. But we can see here Bitcoin is still trading around $110,000. It did take a dip earlier on in the week and has slightly recovered, and we can see Dash is here in the third top gainer according to Binance. So if we get rid of the RSI, zooming into the hourly chart, we can see that yes, the incline was late yesterday and earlier this morning as well, and since then, since about midday, it has been fluctuating around $71. So no major movements are predicted at the moment, and as mentioned, I am predicting it to hit a few more red candles over the next couple of hours and days as well, for it to take a little step back down. Looking at the MACD indicator at the bottom, the MACD line is looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction, indicating once again a bearish movement for Dash over the next couple of hours, and it is still trading above the signal line, below the signal line but above the baseline. So this is pretty accurate that a slight price correction is predicted, and as mentioned, heading just below $65 over the weekend is what my predictions are. Zooming on to the 4-hour chart, is looking, well, very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, heading in a positive way, indicating an increase in value for Dash over the next week and a half going into mid-November. Again, the only reason for that is the pump that has taken place. Yes, I am predicting an over increase in value for Dash going into mid-November. However, it has to be followed. Before that, a dip has to take place. So that is what I mean. Over the next few days, coming week, it has to drop back down in value before it slowly starts to gain value, heading over $80 towards mid-November, and potentially hitting $85 to $90 towards late November and early December as well. Zooming into the daily chart now, the MACD line is looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, but again, it's not all going to be green candles. Do expect dips, do expect red candles in between. Just because it's going to hit $85 $90 doesn't mean it's not going to drop back down after that. It is likely to go for a price correction, potentially heading over $100 towards the very end of the year going into January 2026. Dash should be able to hit over the $100 mark. Previously, we did see it hit $100. This was, well, even $400, guys, back in 2021, before it took a major drop here in 2021, and then again here in late 2021, early 2022, and that is when it dropped down to around $25 $40, and right now sitting at $70. So getting rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Bollinger Band here, we can see the crypto is trading way over the red line here, which is the upper band where the crypto should be trading at, or the maximum value it should be trading at, which is just about here below $60. However, it is trading at a way higher value here at $71, indicating a price correction to happen over the coming days. And that is what I've been saying since the start of the video, guys. Because of the major pump, it is likely to drop down below $65 and then go through a slight increase in value. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website, trading volume right now is up 400% at $780 million in trading. So a lot more people are trading the crypto. However, those of you guys investing into it right now, be careful, make sure your risk management is on point. As I said, I am predicting a price correction, but again, if you're in it for the long term, then yeah, I am predicting this crypto to do very well. And over the last year, it is overall 200% up. We did see it hit over $65 earlier this year, or last year even, sorry, and then before, well, late last year before it dropped down, going for a major drop here, and right now pumping again. So yeah, let me know your end of year target for Dash. How high are you guys predicting this crypto to go? A lot of people have been saying $400-500, which I highly disagree with, because that is just, it is possible but very, very unlikely due to the market cap and trading volume and so on. Let me know your realistic price prediction for the end of the year for Dash. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.